Well, there are many career fields that have openings, but the mental health field might be one of those who really needs some recruits. And joining us today to tell us more, we've got Carmen Cupples. She is with the social work program, and she is field placement coordinator for The Ohio State University at Lima to tell us more. So thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Okay, so we really need some more people in the mental health field. And so Ohio State at Lima has decided to partner with some people and have a day on February 24th. Tell us about this event.
Yeah, last fall we began conversations with Tammy Cologne at the Recovery Services Board, as well as Ohio Means Jobs, about just the workforce shortage that we were experiencing in our area. And so out of that, we began to identify that there were gaps of knowledge with what students and area of social service professionals understood about financial support to stay in this field and make it a worthy career. And so out of that, we found these amazing sources of information. And so we created this event to start communicating it to our community.
Okay, so there's two different sessions, a morning and afternoon. And what kind of things will be happening during that? What kind of information will you be giving out to people so we can get them into the mental health field or keep them there?
It'll have different layers. So we have an area that's focused on students who are currently in college who are pursuing a social services career. So we'll be talking about collegiate scholarships that are available. Ohio Means Jobs has a lot of local grants that are available to support students in college. And then we have someone coming in from the state level who will be talking about state loan repayment options, as well as federal loan forgiveness options that are available for those who work in this field.
This is one of those fields I feel like that it can be a tough one. And, as a social worker or being in the mental health field, you kind of need to be prepared for that too, but it can be so rewarding, right?
Incredibly rewarding. I mean, I always say I fell into this career, and it has been one of the greatest joys of my life to be a part of people's lives, now turning around and teaching other students how to be a part of people's lives. And yeah, it is tough. There are many days that you get exhausted. And so that's the hope with this event, to just communicate what's available financially, because that's a big stress on a lot of our lives. And so if we can help alleviate that, our students and our area social service workers can make choices that they want to rather than what they have to.
Right. On the 24th, I feel like you're making this really easy because you don't even have to sign up ahead of time. You can walk in, participate, so you can just learn all this knowledge and make it easy on yourself.
Yes, please do. Made it very easy. It is at the Ohio Means Jobs Workforce Community Conference Center. You just go, it's at this, which is attached to Allen County Job and Family Services. You drive around the back side of their building. It has a separate entrance. Just come on in and hear the information.
In the classroom, when you're teaching students or working with them, do they realize, such the impact that they're going to have? Especially, I feel like the pandemic too has also brought this forward more, where people need to realize more about their mental health along with physical.
No, not always, but that's what I've really appreciated about working in our community. The more that I've worked with our area agencies, they are so excited to come in and share their stories. Or give opportunities to my students out in the community to experience that, with the hope that they will have a better understanding of the incredible work that they are about to go into.
It's an important field, and so hopefully people will take advantage. Thursday, February 24th, 2 sessions. Thank you very much, Carmen, for sharing with us.
Thanks, Holly.
All right, don't go away. Noon Edition continues in a moment.
This is Dave. He thought he'd save money by getting internet from one company and TV from